Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme Pad Mini and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and pick languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically find yours and tap on it. And let me pick, for example, Greek. I believe it's Greek. You can sometimes, of course, pick the region. So let's tap on it. And basically, the language has been added to this list, but the English is still a main one. It is because that whenever you want to change the language, you have to set new one on the first position. So in order to do that, we have to tap on it, hold it, and then let's drag it to the first position. You can release the finger, and as you can see right now, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. So always set it on the first position. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. So we've got English set. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark it and trash bin icon. Okay, confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Realme Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.